Good afternoon. Today is Friday, November 10, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 10, 2023, Friday. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 10, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Friday, November 10, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.